Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
While the recent daily average of new cases has been over 300, get set for new record spikes in the coming days as testing is beefed up in the city. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Wednesday reported a record 375 new COVID-19 cases. This is the highest single-day spike in Navi Mumbai. The previous highest was of 361 cases reported on July 10, while the second highest spike had been of 356 cases. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Navi Mumbai has now raised to 14,627. 5 more deaths were reported, taking the COVID toll to 407. Belapur, which in the initial phase hardly reported cases, has in recent times been amongst the wards reporting the highest figures. Today it tops the list, which is certainly not good news. It is followed by Nerul and Airoli that have been among the toppers for long. While the new cases continue to rise, the recovery figures too are improving. While 302 patients recovered yesterday, today the figure has increased further to 311. This is ensuring that the recovery percentage continues to increase and has now touched 67% with a total of 9,754 persons having recovered. Less than half of them, that is 4,466 people, continue to take treatment and are hence active cases. 1,29,570 people have completed their quarantine period, while 80,129 people are presently quarantined at home. A total of 33,389 people have been tested for COVID-19 in NMMC jurisdiction till date. 18,521 of these have tested negative. Results of 241 tests are awaited. The breakup of 375 positive cases ward-wise is Belapur Ward 88, Nerul Ward 65, Vashi Ward 31, Turbe Ward 21, Koparkhirne Ward 61, Ghansoli Ward 57, Airoli Ward 47 and Digha Ward 5. 41 children, 11% of the new cases have tested positive today. The details of the patients who tested positive today are on your screen. The breakup of 311 recoveries ward-wise is as follows. Belapur Ward 41, Nerul Ward 40, Vashi Ward 46, Turbe Ward 57, Koparkhirne Ward 18, Ghansoli Ward 46, Airoli Ward 51 and Digha Ward 12. There is only one way to ensure the number of cases come down. Follow the guidelines and take adequate precautions. Stay safe. For Avas Today, Shanawaz Reddy, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.